The stress simulation looks good. Let's check the heat tolerance.
Running the analysis now, it's holding at 2000 degrees.
The thrust vectoring data is fluctuating. Running a stress test on the simulation. Check the nozzle integrity. Agreed, let's verify. Alignment is good. Keep the heat steady. Copy that. Arc is stable. Pressure is stabilizing. Monitor the temperature curve. Readings are nominal. Steam release is within parameters. Check the pressure readings on the nozzle. Confirmed. Within specs. I'll log it. Good. Next, inspect the turbine casing. All right. First point is locked. Good. Now check the alignment here. Confirmed. Reading is 24.98. Check the feed line torque. Copy that. Torque is good. Platform clear. Ready for lift. Check this connection here. Got it. Reading stable. Good. Now test the next pin. Proceeding.
Alignment complete. Ready for the next module. Confirmed. Proceeding with integration.
Team, check the engine mounts. Report any anomalies. Understood. Systems check is green. Copy that. How are the seals? Confirmed. Hose secured. Pressure holding. Valve open. Flow is stable. Copy. Monitoring vapor drift. All clear. Proceed.